Hi, my name is Nandini Mungi. I'm a product manager for industrial communication at Burkert. Burkert Fluid Control Systems was founded in 1946. We're a German family-owned company and one of the world's leading manufacturers of measurement and control systems for liquids and gases. Wherever fluids need to be measured and controlled, our products come into play. We cater to various markets and a lot of industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceutical, water and wastewater, medical and dental, and many more. So we have a broad product and solution portfolio for fluid control systems, including automation, and we combine that with a deep expertise and knowledge about the customer's application, their processes, and devices. Burkert does not stop at delivering and providing off-the-shelf products, but in close cooperation with our customers, we like to call them partners. We really like to focus on their process and optimizing their process to the best possible way. So smart products are the future. Therefore, we dedicate a lot of time in really collecting diagnostic data that is meant for predictive maintenance and really integrating smart functionalities into the field devices itself. We're also early adopters of various communication technologies, being a global company so that we can cater to all different kinds of industries and applications. So by implementing one of Burkert's solutions, I think the main goal is to optimize our customers' processes and make them really robust. At Burkert, we love a fluidic challenge. So with our expertise in that area over the last 70 years, we not only provide the right instrumentation for the process, but are there as partners to actually collaborate and find the best solution for that process.